Alright, we're gonna do a passenger transport airline mission with Airbus A330. Let's set the filter to limit a little bit of the chatter. Passenger transport airline. Let's look for missions. Well, we have a decent one to Kuala Lumpur, 24 million, that's worth flying. Usually this step after SU5 update takes forever. Before SU5 update was instant, now it takes so long. And why do I have a VFR flight plan? Come on, it's like this airport doesn't have a IFR? That's so dumb, let's see if you can change that. Here you go, ILS, that's okay, that's more like it. ILS 32 right direct. I like that. Okay, submission. Okay, we need to add some fuel. Fuel. Let's fly. Enter aircraft.
Happy to be flying with you today, Captain.
And our keyboard shortcuts doesn't work, or it does just super slow. Okay. I have a feeling we're gonna have fly load, hopefully the game doesn't crash. Should I heard of 360.
Captain, arrived from the flight crew here. Prep for boarding. Awaiting your orders.
Skip Hall Ground, November 46528. Could you please get the passengers on board? November 46528. The jetway is going to be connected. Skip Hall Ground, November 46528. Could you please send the baggage?
Button first.
November 46528.
Go next page and make sure to push this button so it calculates the fuel correctly.
Skip Hall Ground, November
This
46528.
is from the
Could you please send the catering truck?
iPad. We gotta enter the
November
Airbus
46528. The catering truck is on the road.
confirm data. Good. Park clearance.
Skip Hall Ground, November 46528 IFR to Kuala Lumpur, ready to copy.
Very good.
November 46528 is cleared to Kuala Lumpur Airport
Well, that's
via
not
the
the
ARD2 Victor departure, runway tree 6 left. Climb via SID, maintain flight level tree 50. Departure frequency is 119.175, squawk 6734.
Wow, my settings stuck 21 frames per second.
Cleared to Kuala Lumpur by the ARD2 Victor departure, runway tree 6 left. Climb via SID, maintain flight level tree 50. Departure frequency is 119.175, squawk 6734, November 46528. 528, read back correct. Contact ground on 121.805. Good day.
Okay, we're gonna skip the taxi. Gotta make sure to cycle my thrustmaster pedals right and left a couple times, otherwise it's like all over the place. This jump is something that's not right. I can never figure out problem with the game or with the Windows driver. But after you cycle right and left, it's good. That's the clearance.
ground. November 46528 with Quebec. Ready to taxi IFR. November 46528. Taxi to and hold short of runway tree. 6 left via taxiway Alpha 19er Charlie Alpha Alpha 20 Bravo Charlie Charlie tree cross runway tree center Whiskey 5 Victor Victor Sierra Victor 4. Contact tower on 118
the longest way possible.
when ready.
Okay, acknowledge that. Start taxi, and we're gonna skip anyway. Soon after we greet the passengers.
Alpha Alpha 20 Bravo Charlie Charlie tree cross runway tree 6 center Whiskey 5 Victor Victor Sierra Victor 4 528.
Few miles of that. Where is the passenger greet message? There we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, our captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. Please stow your hand luggage underneath the seat in front of you.
Skip to takeoff. And set the barometric altimeter. Cruising altitude for autopilot. I think
IFR to Kuala Lumpur.
55.
November
Can you adjust
46528.
later?
QNH 1016. Cleared for takeoff runway tree 6 left.
Okay.
Cleared for takeoff runway tree 6 left. November 46528.
Line up with the runway and let's take off. Clouds there. It's not gonna stop us. Okay, set the speed to managed. Everything is good here. Lights on, seatbelts on. Yeah, usually when you skip this, I said everything. The throttle to flex plus 58. Wait for the engines to spin up. And let's go. Up, autopilot engaged. Looks like it's going correct place. Flaps up.
528 contact Amsterdam Center on 119er decimal 175.
Throttle
Good
to
day.
climb. Amsterdam Center.
119er decimal
5,000 we're
175.
going.
528.
Turn off the lights.
Amsterdam Center, November 46528 is at 1600 climbing flight level tree 50.
November 46528, Amsterdam Center, QNH 1016, radar contact. Continue to AM 012.
Okay. Cloud. Frame rate only 37. We're gonna get higher in the cloud? No ground render, or is it? Probably CPU is getting 55, but it's calculating all the force of characteristics.
past 18,000 feet, so don't forget to switch the altimeter to standard.
Nice tailwind, 28 knots. Have to slow down before the turn. Slow down on the sim rig. wait. Let's wait for the cruising altitude so we can skip to landing. I'm using a plus and minus buttons on a numpad.
Contact
Going to 118.7552.
November 4652A, Langen Center. Radar contact continue.
There we go. Coming up on altitude. Inform the passengers. That's one of the important steps, so we don't get points deducted.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Today, I'm assisted by co-pilot Amy Valentin. Welcome aboard flight DP A330, inbound to Kuala Lumpur. We're currently cruising at an altitude of 35,000 feet and at an airspeed of 250 knots. It's 11:49 a.m. and we should expect a smooth flight all the way. On behalf of all crew members, thank you for flying with us today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the flight. Thank you.
We're not gonna go to serve the meals because I don't think we get any points deducted for that. We're gonna slow the sim rate, skip. As soon as the sim comes up, we gotta disengage autopilot and push the yoke down because otherwise the plane wants to go up. And hit the LS button to show the ILS bars to see how off course we are. Pilot off, going down. Wants to go up.
6000 expect. ILS runway tree 2.
And speed is
Right approach
always
via
okay.
Sully transition. Clear to Sully.
Okay. And over the soldiers.
Descend and maintain 6,000 expect ILS runway tree 2, right approach via Sully transition. Clear to Sully 528.
528. Contact Kuala Lumpur Tower on 118.5 when inbound.
Kuala Lumpur Tower and now seat tilt is off.
528.
Kuala Lumpur Tower.
Kuala Lumpur Tower, November 46528.
18 miles.
19
Okay,
miles
that's plenty of
southeast.
time.
Inbound ILS runway tree 2 right approach.
November
Activated approach
46528,
with
Kuala
a
Lumpur Tower.
localizer.
QNH 1009er, cleared ILS runway tree 2 right approach.
Okay.
Cleared ILS runway tree 2 right
Slow the
approach.
plane down a
528.
little bit. Spoilers. Watch your speed drop.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are approaching Kuala Lumpur Antiel, Sepang. Please fasten your seatbelt and adjust your seat back and tray table to the upright position. Please secure your carry-on baggage in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. All electronic devices must be turned off until the aircraft is parked. Thank you.
No, 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 no. Oh, you stupid.
Flaps over speed.
No, why did you increase the speed? So dumb, this thing. Come on, I was going still so fast. Crazy. Come on. Speed drop. Wow, man, come on. Flaps cool. Gotta go lower. That's a thing. Intercepted light slope. I have 11 miles, so we'll make it. Now slow the plane down. Drop the gear. Okay, now push this all the way up. And arm. Control it. Climb. Okay, where are we? 130. Still not getting on the glide slope. Okay, have time. Auto brake medium, I like. 1500 meters quicker. I think okay, 8 miles later. Increase the sim rate a little bit. Side wind, that's good.
2,500.
Light scope coming up for arrow. Up for arrow for 9. There we go.
528, wind 015 at 5. Clear to land runway tree 2 right.
Okay.
Clear to land runway tree 2 right, 528.
Well, it's performance showing. Well, this is an approach 121, so we'll do like 127. Speed 127. 4 miles, 5.
One
1000 and no runway in sight. Cabin check. Ready. Where is our runway? Okay, I started to see.
500. 400.
I haven't did auto land in a while. I'm not gonna do this time either. Okay, let's disengage autopilot.
200.
At 40 or 50 feet above ground, you're gonna put the front
100.
idle. 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 As soon as the touch grounds, put in a reverse thrust.
30. 20. 10.
Landing. Slow plane down.
Exit runway when able.
Well, I'm able to exit it earlier. How about that? That's license up there. And we have 10% fuel to spare. Nice.
Runway when able.
Yes, yes, I'm trying.
Contact ground on 123.25.
123.25. 528.
After the line, Kind of dumb after this C5 how they did it.
Kuala Lumpur ground, November 46528. Taxi to parking.
November 46528. Taxi to gate 1 using taxiway Alpha. 4 Alpha Bravo 5 Bravo Tango 2 Tango Tree Foxtrot 2 Golf.
Let's go through the whole alphabet, sure.
Taxiing to gate 1 via taxiway Alpha. 4 Alpha Bravo 5 Bravo Tango 2 Tango Tree Foxtrot 2 Golf 528.
Well, they're not gonna do that.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have not reached the gate yet. Please remain seated until the captain
Soon after this
turns on the
message,
fasten
they're gonna
seatbelt
skip
sign.
the shutdown.
Thank you.
Skip the shutdown. Plane, increase sim rate so it's faster. Well, 26-minute flight so far. Let's see out of 24 or 26 million how much we're gonna get. We're not gonna get much lower for skipping. I say gonna be around 20. Passengers not too happy. Oh, we're gonna get this max lap speeds. It wasn't my fault. Autopilot shouldn't have increased it, but whatever. Yeah, not too bad. 18.5 out of 24 or something. For 27-minute flight, not bad. So here we go. That's how we fly a passenger transport airline.